Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So for this example, I will be showing you how you can easily create spinning loaders for your upcoming projects using CSS Animation. So in this video, I will be using CodePen. So you open CodePen and just follow with me. If you think this video can help you, then please click the like button and share this video with your friends and support us by subscribing. So let's start. In CodePen, click on Settings, and in Settings, click on CSS and search for Font Awesome dependency. We will be using Font Awesome dependency for this project. So click on Font Awesome and hit close. In the website, search for spinner and it will give you some varieties of spinners. So let's use this yin and yang. So open it and click on the HTML snippet. It will copy it. Now in the HTML part of CodePen, write a class, so dot loader, and paste the font that you have copied. So in CSS, we will target the body first. So in the body, we will give a darkish background. So for that, let me just write hash 140219. Okay, so it's looking good. So now let's target the loader class. So for the dot loader, and for loader, I will just make everything in the center of the screen. So for that, I will target position of absolute, having a top value of 50% and a left value of 50%. And I will also add a transform to translate minus 50%, comma minus 50%. So this piece of code is very useful if you want to make anything in the center of the parent div. So you can see is everything in the center now, but we cannot see the font. So for that, let me just target the loader.fas. This is the Font Awesome class. So first of all, let me just increase the font size to 50 px. So still we cannot see it properly. So let me just change the color to white. Hash FFF. Okay, now looking good. So now we will target the animation class that we are all waiting for. So animation, and give the name as spin for 1.5 seconds and linear to infinite. Let me first write the keyframes, then I will give you a small assignment so that you can also get some knowledge of how to use the keyframes. So for that, let me just target the @keyframes first, and name of the animation is spin. So I will be targeting the rotate function. So for that 0%, I will have a transform of rotate, and I will give 0 degree. Okay, and in the 100%, just copy this line and paste it. So for 100%, I will change the rotation value to 360 degree. And friends, this is all for the animation. So you can see it's working fine. Convert these two lines of code in the keyframes to a single line of code, so that you can use just one line of code and achieve the same result. Okay, comment below your answer and we will all see that how many different ways this can be achieved. So for the next example, I will be using some different type of fonts, and you can see I have copied multiple fonts from Font Awesome, and all of them are behaving the same because they all have the FAS class. So let me just change the time a bit, so 1 second. So play with the values of this animation and you will get multiple results. So with 1 second it's moving very fast. Now let me just change the linear to alternate. So when we change the value to alternate, it will move in both directions. See, like this, it's moving in one direction and in the other. Let me change this value of the time to 3 seconds so that you can see it properly. Let me click and save. Okay, now you can see it's moving in one direction and again moving in the other direction. Just remove the value of alternate. So if I do like this, you can see the animation, it's moving in one direction, it giving a pause and again moving again. So friends, if you think this video helped you, then please like the video and share this video with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you.